man, this is not good at the baby them day here. We need help. We're tired of this, Barry.
We have a 4-year-old.
We're tired of this.
4-year-old.
Look, man, we also baby them can't beard. No, we can't beard. What kind of style this? We need help. We need help. We place them to clear roads. This not good. This can't good. Watch it. Can't good. Clear muddy water. Watch it. In our house? Come on, man. This not good, Barry. Yo, from last night nobody not sleep. Watch that. Watch that. Yo, idiot. Yeah, look, me shop everything. Like we have to get serious that thing can help you, Barry. Yeah, watch out the tree. Watch it. Good morning, everybody, come on.
Hey, this way. Hello, this way. This way. This way.
Unbelievable.
This way, right in. This way.
Yep.
Right in.
This is just terrible.
Right in. In there, sort of. You look here.
Oh my God. Oh my Lord.
All. Everything lift up. This side way. This side way. We need help to take them out. They're no good.
They don't know what's down there.
Majority of things them down here, so they're flat, caving, flat. Every roof gone, every roof, as long as you see line down this roof
Get
gone.
worse are we down there.
But we have life, we don't record no death run here so far, so we're good.
Which is important.
Yeah, life is good, life is
We
good.
can replace the buildings, we can
But hey,
Alright,
if this time not teach me nothing,
what is it? What's blocking?
you see, the other day, I was saying to myself that people praise material things so much. And today is a day when everybody asks me, alright, me have life. Everybody appreciate life. At this moment, no big house no mean nothing, no big car no mean nothing, no land no mean nothing. Life is everything right now. Everybody, alright, boy, me lose my house, but me have life. We have life. My house, me lose my shop, me lose everything, but me have life. And at that we say, togetherness and life, nothing with vanity. Anybody want brag and boast now, what them all brag about? Homelessness. Rich and poor, we're homeless. All are we homeless.
Rich and poor,
yeah. All my life, me never know. Movie alone, me ever see them sitting here and I never see who signed up that script here? No, who put in a script we don't know about in a real life.
You yo, boy, what? Your people, if you listen, white man live. Right, I find the pussy.
Boy, you shouldn't, it's a reach, you know, boy. Shouldn't make you reach your auntie, you know better. Boy, what's that reach again, bro? That's all. What is it?
I say, yo, sir. From him,
Man that spent the night on his roof.
When faith comes in over fear, you understand? And if you're faithful and say, guess what? I'm going to get through this year. God will provide for you and take you through it. So you understand? So this is when faith over fear, because if you're fearful, you're going to give up. So you didn't give up last night.
No, me say me not give up on that.
No, don't.
But I tell me, I say me if take a jump off, me say no.
No, follow your man.
Yeah, man, that's true.
Follow your man. Oh, the world. The world, they're going to hear about you. The world, you're going to be... Listen, you're a God-blessed child. Whoever the blessing is coming from, whether your mother, your father, or you or whoever, you're a blessing. To sustain that last night, when Ezekiel, I say, Ezekiel, what happened to him? This man, a crab will come downstairs. He said, come and I'll tell him, I can show you. And through the window, he showed him through the... Oh my God. Are you still alive? Forget about the water.
Yeah.
Oh God, what a blessing. Thank everybody. Don't stop. Thank people. Just lift up your hand and say, thank you, Jesus. And thank everybody. It's true.
Morning, people. This is the current situation of Stand Up Hill Garden Town. The entire road gone. Entire road is gone. Look at it. The entire road and Gordon Town is gone. This is just a walking thing. The entire road, nothing is left. Nothing is left of the road. The entire thing gone to the river. Only walk foot.
If my faith never strong, man, maybe me that go crazy when through this hurricane I be here.
Tell me, what is your name, sir, and where in Mandeville are you
My name
from?
is Lafayette Johnson. Don't touch it, I know Grace Wire.
And where you from?
Same place, I live right over there, 57 Main Street.
And tell me, what was your experience like in the storm?
Terrible, the third one of my experience. And this is the worst one ever passed through. This a girl that really knows, when me say him no ordinary, extraordinary girl, this a pass through the place, you know, rip up everything. See all the pear tree, every limb tear off of it. I think we don't show you the house top if you could have go down more where you can.
Yeah man, we're going to look on your house top. Tell me, what kind of damage did Hurricane Melissa do to your property?
Every kind of rip up, take off the rooftop, whip up place over there, right down in my house, flood out yesterday. When we said the drop, rolling cold drop on the house top, versus zinc, and whip up buckets of water and sweep out of the place. Right now water lay down on the floor inside, but I just look with, we say I have to come out, come and look to see what happened now. The disaster will happen.
So how did you manage? It must have been very scary for you, no?
My God, sometimes I tell you, if you never have faith, one of my friends was there with me. A good thing he come where he could have helped me out. Scary, really scary. It's dangerous even if you look outside.
Welcome back to my channel. It's Pebbles Hall. Thank you for stopping by. I just wanted to come here quickly to, you know, just show my face and let you guys know that I'll be posting some videos of, you know, on the ground, all the assessment that the Prime Minister Andrew Holness is doing, and, you know, all the aerial views, because all you have been seeing is just small clips. But when they do an aerial view of the area to show before and after of what happened to some of the areas that got hit by the hurricane, then you get a better understanding of the devastation that this hurricane has caused. St. Elizabeth, which got hit really hard, the entrance, the eye of the storm, It's just, it looks like just devastation there. Everything just seems like they will have to rebuild the entire parish. That's how it's looking right now in St. Elizabeth, okay? Like they'll have to rebuild the entire parish. It looks really bad in St. Elizabeth right now. Really, really bad.
I don't know if you want to. Walk around. Yeah, walk around. Let's show the wall.
Sure, looking at all, not to us in Kingston. Nothing.
What's in the box? I see that. I want to thank all of you for your service. I know it must have been a hurry.
Very. The most terrifying experience in all my life, and I would not want to see it again.
But you don't report any loss of life.
Thank God. God has been good to us.
But obviously, the care that you have taken in protecting the patients. So that I don't
Many of us don't know what is happening to our children, our parents, because we are here. We are here. We just can't hear anything from them. Exactly. I don't think none of us are competent enough to describe what happened. It is beyond this logic. We can't really imagine. At one point you would think that you have some missiles just letting go in the glass. You just see things just going here, glass, boom. And in spite of everything, patients are there to take care of. Even after the storm, we have emergencies using lanterns and flashlights. But God has been good to us.
So what we're doing now is the initial assessment of the damage. We have with us the acting chief of defense staff and Brigadier Williams as well. And they are doing their assessment that is feeding to happen. Hopefully by tomorrow, we will have cleared the roofs in the
And some people are saying that, oh, they should build the houses stronger. These are some of the houses in Jamaica. So it's not just zinc houses. I think the news is just showing all the zinc houses that are damaged, and they just make it believe that all the homes in Jamaica, they're all just zinc houses and it looks bad. And this is why Jamaica is ruined right now because of the hurricane, because the houses were not strong enough. No, these are some of the houses in Jamaica. Jamaica has some huge houses made out of concrete, and a lot of them still got damaged. So this is before the hurricane. I'll just show you what some of the houses looked like in Mandeville, okay? Mandeville, and that's the countryside, not the city, the countryside. A lot of the houses that got damaged are strong. It's not just zinc houses, it's not just zinc roofs, it's concrete and special roofing that they use. And if you look at some of the aerial photos, you'll realize that there are a lot of huge houses. They're not going to build mansions with zinc roofs, no. And if you look down from the aerial view, even though the hurricane didn't remove the roof entirely because of how the roof is built, it's not a flat roof, you can see holes in those homes, holes. It takes away some of whatever, the roofing that they have. And a lot of people, that's what they're saying. So water get into their homes and damage their homes. You saw that two homes were underwater, completely submerged.
Well, it was raining for a couple of days, and we understand that the house is in the gully. So I move out before this storm. When they said the storm is coming close, I pack up my stuff in the house as much as I can, and I move out. And I came to this house, never expecting that this one would flood too. So the years are gonna stroke, and we over there, and we realized that the water coming closer. So my daughter from Florida, my niece from Florida, called the fire company and tell them to come get me out and get them. So they gave me out yesterday evening and they hook up everything and they get us up. We figure this is an upstairs house, so we never know the water will come up here too. So when we find out that the water keep coming up the upstairs, we call the help and we get up.
And they had to be rescued. People had to rescue them. The fire department had to rescue these people. So it's not just thatch huts or zinc houses that many people are thinking, oh, Jamaica only has thatch huts and zinc houses. No, there are mansions in Jamaica, and a lot of those mansions got destroyed. You saw the hotels. The hotels, they don't have zinc roofs. Come on, guys. They don't have zinc roofs, but a lot of them got damaged. Okay, so I want you to bear that in mind as well. You know, I mean, yes, a lot of the zinc roofs got torn off. Well, all of them, every single one of them. And that was so much, you know, it was much easier for the hurricane to rip those zinc roofs off. But a lot of the strong structures, they got damaged as well. So that's all I wanted to come here and talk about. Just continue praying for, you know, all the islands, including the Bahamas and Haiti. I heard that Haiti lost some lives there. Jamaica, so far, they found, I think, about 4 more people. So as they do the assessment and go out and search and neighbors look for each other, that's when they'll know, you know, who lost their lives. For a magnitude hurricane like that, I'm surprised that it's only 4 or 5 people. I'm pretty sure that the numbers will grow as we go along further down into the week, but we shall see and keep our fingers crossed that it's not a lot of people who lost their lives. While you can rebuild, you can't get your life back. You know, that's the thing. You can rebuild, but you can't get your life back. But I just wanted to come here and say that. And, you know, guys, you guys enjoy the videos that I'm going to be posting on this channel.
Watcha dog. Bone ground this way there, brother. Watcha. No road, no there bone ground, dog. Watcha. No road, no there bone ground, boss said. No road. Look here in the yard. Look on this boss here, brother. Pan this vax here. Sink, brother. Pan this vax here. Grow in the front, go show no dog. Go this girl deal with the place, brother. Wicked girl this brother. Come here. Look on the people in veranda, brother. Look on the people in house. I know you vax looking at the people in house. Me watch out. You can walk on the vax it up on you, so. Go here. Jesus. Go there. You can tap on the vax it on you, so, brother.
Jesus. Tell people change their ways.
You see that?
Believe, man.
So when some man they show about their millions and billions, look on that. We're glad so we have life, you know?
But we are in touch. Yeah, that's what we do. All right.
glad to see that, son.
History.
What's up?
Everything,
Yes, I want to know. What are they
So you see all these go on, you know, you have to talk to them and stuff.
This is the main road where you used to take it to Newcastle site, Middleton settlement. This is it now. There used to be a house right here, so right when a house used to go right on the corner here, so all like gone. This was the main road. Everything gone. This main road used to go so. You used to have some house over here, so every single thing gone.
Road to go on Maroon Town, you know? Here do. Roll like road, son.
Holland bamboo before and after the hurricane.
Family. My God. Guys. This. I know nothing normal. Listen me, man. Jesus Christ, guys. No, sir. Man, I never seen nothing like this yet. Never in my life. Brother, I water good on go dig out the whole of this, you know? Guys. My God.
Be a grave dip, you know.
Brother. No, sir. No, sir. Jesus Christ, guys. This ain't my community, you know? I know nothing normal. This. Yes, brother. And they move, see there? Jesus Christ. It's not pretty, see there? See me show you what going there. Jesus, guys. Brother, this is a scene and a half, man. And guys, you don't see nothing yet. This is a history, man. This is a history, man. You see, whole lot. The house over there, so we want to look pan. It's full of water, the water dry up. But I want to show you up there, so up a road. Jesus Christ. Me general, I know nothing normal, this me G. Eh? I know nothing normal, mind a drop me G. Boy, guys, a pea mud. There now, what going? There. Guys. Allah, hear there. Guys. Me I go show now what go on. Me tell you, look here. I rode this, you know. And everything where you see run out of the road, they so come pack up, come pile up right here, so. Me I go show now what go on, guys. You know, come with me. Man, me never seen nothing like this yet. Me never. Yo, yeah man. Guys, me never seen nothing like this yet from the day me born. Everything where you see so you wash come pile up right there, so you look. The whole of you so block off. No car can't pass this up. I'm gonna take a look. My God. Man.
Tree thump in a car, then this could have rain. Could have? The place mash right up. Them a river off a road fling down in a gully. Today, the people them must see mud out of the yard. Upstairs, the only who have upstairs could have go upstairs, or they run go a neighbor yard. Go upstairs.
So we shall also move from over this side. See this side. I saw a 9.5 in a gully. Rescue now, the mood I can't wash you. No stone over everything. Yeah, mood I can't wash you. So I like the flood right out. Yo, we need help. How many people in there with the help people? We don't see people with the help people pass right. Watch our old place flat you.
Watch out. Sorry for y'all miss them boy. Anybody used to know Eggies, famous Eggies on the beach? That's the only thing that left us have Eggies. Then two look up big there. That's all left for Eggie. Oh God, look at Liz's family them wash away. Two of the grave them gone. So one of them is saying at the creek. And all 5 of those graves used to be right here. Look at Treasure Beach. Nothing left down in Treasure Beach down here. All these guest houses used to be way over in the sun over here. The beach used to be way out there. And look at it now. Treasure Beach done to blood clot. Wreck. And this is just Frenchman. Watch out. Sorry for y'all miss them boy. Anybody used to know Eggies, famous Eggies on the beach? That.
I see everywhere scanty. Eastern house there. Every business place gone.
Jamaica is a disaster. Yeah, Jamaica is a disaster right now. So we just have to pray up for the best and the good. Help each one who we can help, and that's it.
Don't joke in a paper. Don't take it in a joke. Don't take it in a joke. House underwater sink on. Watch it. That house shell out. House a flood out. Water with years. Watch it. Yo, the water come down here. Yo, Kelly. Look at the water come down. Yeah, this is the water. 7 rivers right now. 7 rivers everywhere mashed down. We're on a lot of water right now. Nothing can cross it. Only 1 foot. Faith can cross it. Like a very force. Very force. Don't take it in on joke, you know. Don't take it in.
Come on, get up. Come on, get up out of it. Come on. Get up out of it. Come on. Get up out of it. Pull through it. Come on. Pull through it. I know it hit you. It hit you hard, but come on. Come on. God said, come on and tell them to pull through it. Come on. Pull out of it. Come on. Come on. Pull through it. Come on. Get yourself together. Get your mind.
Yeah. No, too many too much walking.
So Melissa, man, so Melissa did the place. Copper with this right now, people St. James.
And if we're underwater, man. If we're underwater. Yeah.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. As always, I love each and every one of you. And have a wonderful day. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.